Ever wanted to learn coding? Tried but didn't continue. Feeling left behind? Meet CodeMode. We are a USA-based online coding school for middle and high schoolers. 40,000 plus students have trusted us in various countries since 2021. Thousands of satisfied students and parents trust us to learn to code, thanks to our complete online coding platform and friendly learning model. Practice is at the heart of our teaching philosophy, and we offer guaranteed learning in self-paced learning, summer camps, and in-person classes. Our data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, Java, Python, C++, JavaScript, and Scratch courses are built around practice. One key challenge in learning is real-time help when you are stuck. Our highly qualified teachers from top institutes and industry experts provide near real-time support to make you progress, and that's why students finish and learn forever. CodeMode offers many courses and services to suit your needs. We provide coding classes on Foundation of Programming, Python, both English and Hindi, Java, both English and Hindi, C++, both English and Hindi, data science which Jupyter, Pandas, NumPy, MongoDB, and many hands-on coding projects. These courses are available in various formats. You can learn at your own pace or join in-person classes, and you also have the option to take the same instructor-led online classes on Zoom. We also offer summer camps. All our classes are small, with 5 to 6 students in a group. Are you considering these interactive, fun coding courses for your school? We can augment your existing teachers, run these courses in partnership, or even train your teachers. Bring the magic of the practice-based learning model to your school and watch for results. It all starts with an evaluation to understand the analytical abilities, exposure to coding, and learning style of the learner. We teach concepts using real-life examples. We give worksheets to practice because our courses are very hands-on and practice-based. We timely assess the learning and identify gaps. Thanks to our world-class online learning platform. This teaching model guarantees a skill for life. We teach so that the knowledge earned in one programming language is transferable to another. We focus on fundamentals and build strong problem-solving skills. You will learn real-life applications of your coding skills. Don't just learn coding, but fall in love with computer science. We follow certain principles in creating courses and in teaching students. You learn by practice, and we provide real-time help. Timely help is necessary when you get stuck. It often happens in the beginning. Our classroom is very interactive, whether it is online or in person. Our students enjoy asking questions on our platform, and we are open to chatting because we want our students to move forward and continue to practice. Our courses and classes focus on real-time coding and not just creating drag-and-drop based games. Because we believe you can only learn to swim if you jump in the water. Here is what one parent has to say. Yishvant has been great in engaging my kid to solve problems logically with a strong conceptual understanding. His real-life experience is keeping examples relevant and highly useful source of academic learning. Krishna, parent of student enrolled in AP Computer Science Principles. One of our current students wrote us this message. Hi, Mr. Yash, I just want to say thank you so much for your help. I got a 100 on my coding test. We had 22 minutes and 30 seconds to do it, and I finished it in 6 minutes and 32 seconds, which was the fastest time in my class. I really couldn't have done it without your help. Thank you so much. Aryan, Johns Creek, Georgia, student of AP CSA 2022 to 2023. We are equally thrilled to read such messages. CodeMode is a complete ecosystem. Coding platform, course, and teachers. Start your coding journey to unleash new opportunities. Join CodeMode today. Visit www.codemode.us or like us on Instagram CodeMode_US.